This is what we're working with. I would just like to say that I wore a special shirt for you today. I don't know if you've seen the Insta story, but I thought brighten up the mood, and then Sarah went overboard with the music.
Okay.
This is Sarah's idea. Sarah wants to mix drinks at 4 o'clock. I'm more
It's
of
5 o'clock somewhere.
I'm more of a person who waits a little later. I like to wait till at least 6, but this is Sarah's deal.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're calling this Happy Hour with Dashboard Living. Very original title. And every day at 4 o'clock, you're gonna see our mugs. This one and this one.
Maybe this one.
On social media.
Okay.
Live, and we're gonna mix a cocktail, and we're gonna talk about nothing.
What type of drink are we mixing?
So we're making a blueberry smash.
Is it blueberry smash?
Well, it's a take on a blueberry smash.
Mint infused?
It's a mint and blueberry infused vodka cocktail.
So
Here's what we did. We looked in our freezer and we looked in our liquor cabinet, which admittedly is extensive at the moment. And we saw what kind of ingredients we had, and we decided to make cocktails out of it.
So you want to tell what goes on first, right?
Yeah, okay, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna dump a cup of Canadian wild blueberries. Shameless promotion for Canadian wild blueberries. In our Boston, this is a Boston shaker. Let's do a full tutorial. So this is an essential bar tool. If you are gonna be mixing cocktails at home, you must have a Boston shaker. So that's what this is. So we put a cup of blueberries. We're gonna put a half a cup.
Yeah, I'm gonna break those up a
You
little
didn't
bit.
take the stems off the mint.
Because I know you want to do.
Buddy.
You want to do that first, or you want to do?
Well, you can do both. So there's like a half a cup of mint that Brent did not prepare like he was supposed to.
Okay.
And you're putting in what, 2 tablespoons
of fresh
lime juice. You
So
guys?
That's roughly the equivalent of.
It's a guess.
The equivalent
We have no
of
idea.
1/2 very ripe lime.
We have no. You guys, look at these limes. Get that other weird one. Look at this. It's a lemon. It's a lime. Lemon, lime.
Okay, get those guys
It's a
in
lemon.
there. Okay. And now we get to do some muddle.
You're going too fast and stressing me out.
Why? Listen, this is a big process. This is a 45-minute drink. This is right
It's
here
not.
to make.
It's so not.
So they don't do this much in the bars because it takes so
I wish
long.
the music was still on.
Okay. What else do you have
So
to
what's
say?
the purpose of muddling, dear?
Muddling is to break everything up and actually infuse and break down some of the properties in the fruit.
Jacqueline
and in
says
the
I'm
leaves.
really thirsty.
Break down some of the fruit and leaves to get some of that aromatic flavor out and
Aromatic flavor.
aromatic smell. And to bring out some flavor. So we got those pretty much muddled. You can kind of take a look at that right there.
Best of all worlds, Lyman. Everybody loves your shirt.
I know this.
It was a Christmas present. Brent's shirt was a Christmas present.
Okay.
Relax.
Settle down, Sarah. Now what's next?
I need you to calm down. I feel like you're very up, and I need you to bring it down.
I'm excited.
You're stressing me out.
I'm excited. Okay, what's next?
So next, you're gonna fill this with ice.
Okay.
I'm gonna add the most important ingredient, and that is a half a cup of good quality vodka. We're using Barreling Tide. That is a local distillery in Port Williams, Nova Scotia. How many ounces is half a cup for? So we're making 2 cocktails.
No, this is just mine.
No.
Okay, I put this in.
Half a cup.
Okay.
And honey.
Okay.
Honey.
So you're going to put in a couple tablespoons of this.
Give me the stir.
So you're going to put in
You're off camera.
1 tablespoon.
So like about that much.
Okay.
It's fine.
This is why I
It's fine to guess.
This is why I was making the drink.
Mixologists would be horrified. It's not fine to guess. It's supposed to be precise. Whatever.
Okay.
Ooh, just hang on a second. Just a second. Brent, what's on your mind? Like, tell us what's on your mind.
What's on my mind is the mess you're making on the counter right now.
You guys, what I want to know is, how are you feeling? How's everybody feeling?
Okay.
Oh, is that going to come out? I feel like you don't. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it, girl.
I don't know if that's appropriate.
Shake it. Shake what your mama gave you.
How long?
Like 3 minutes.
How's that?
Pretty good. Do you know how to? Oh, that was good. The honey didn't, you gotta shake it more.
There you go, Sarah, you ruined it.
No, the honey stuck to the side. Just a sec. This is why we strain it. This is why we're gonna strain it later. Here's the trick. Are you seeing how he's doing that? So he takes the Boston shaker, he puts his glass on top, he pops it in and he shakes it.
And I'm trying to smile.
And you smile when you shake it. And then in order to release this, you just hit the side of the shaker and the cup will pop right off. And if it doesn't pop right off, you can just spin it a little. Okay, so now we're shaking and we're gonna strain these cocktails into, like you could put them in mason jars or in old-fashioned glasses. We're using old-fashioned glasses. Yeah, keep going. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty color. Is that all it made?
Oh yeah, that's what I mean. You have to
There has
muddle
to
them
be
up.
more.
It's all muddled together.
No, there has to be more. That doesn't
No,
look right.
that's it. Do you want me to shake it more?
No, it's all stuck. Wow. I don't know, you guys. This is an experiment. We've never made this cocktail before, and I feel like not entirely confident.
You're supposed to put like half a cup of that other stuff.
I know.
So, there you go.
But I think it's going to be fine. It's a very pretty color.
So,
I feel like you didn't muddle it well enough, if we're being totally honest. So then, once that's done, this is how much we have. That's how much cocktail is in the glasses. And then you just top it with sparkling water. I'm nervous.
you want to do a little
Garnish?
That's your job there.
Okay. I'm the garnish boss.
Okay.
Great.
I'm kind of off this one camera, but
get in.
I'm trying to get some mint leaves to put on the top.
Brent, no,
That's
I
what you're
need
supposed to do.
sprigs, not just the leaves.
Jeez.
Dum-dum.
See what I'm working with? There you go.
Man, is this your first? Yeah, that's better. This is
First
your
day.
first day.
Listen.
So then we garnish it with lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah, that's what we're calling this.
Oh, that looks like it's very nicely done.
What's everybody saying about how they're feeling?
They're saying Brett has done an amazing job, and Sarah's taking being too hard on him. There you go.
And there you have it. It's a blueberry, what did I call it? A blueberry smash. You ready?
That is a pretty good drink.
Geez, you can't even really tell there's vodka in it.
No.
Just so you know, you have like blueberries in your mustache.
Awesome. So what else do you have? Well, anything else you want to talk about? Because I think this is a pretty tasty drink.
I'd say that's a pretty dangerous drink because you can't fully, I'm gonna get rid of my garnish so I can drink it. You can't fully taste the liquor. And there's 2 ounces in each one of those drinks. As there should be. I feel like a proper cocktail has 2 ounces. And if it doesn't have
Most
2
of them
ounces, I don't want it.
We toss this guy away for the half cup.
Cocktail, what? Do some cocktail flips. Oh no, you don't want that.
I'll try that next time.
No.
Okay, that's a good idea.
So this is your last one for the night?
Yep.
Yeah.
So, why you cut me off on real time?
Because you just sucked back 2 ounces of vodka.
It was good vodka. So there we go.
If you guys have any favorite cocktail recipes that you would like us to, that's what I was gonna say. Side note, shiny penny. Yeah, somebody was saying, I'm just drinking beer, but I'm joining in. This is gonna be whatever pops into our head. So some nights it might be wine, some nights it might be beer, some nights it will be cocktails, some nights it just might be an old fashioned, which is basically just whiskey.
Is that what you're going with? You're making all the drink selections here? What about my input? I thought about doing some wine, some nice, we talking about wine?
Did I not just say wine?
I don't think so.
I did.
Did you?
We go live on Facebook every single week, some of you know that. But some of you might be watching us for the first time and thinking like, who the fuck are these crazy people?
I thought you said we can't swear.
So in case you don't know, my name's Sarah, this is my husband Brent, and we're the couple behind Dashboard Living.
We work with businesses, meet cool people, and share awesome experiences like making drinks with you.
We normally talk about travel and hospitality and food and drink, but of course things are a little different right now, so we were just trying to come up with a way to lighten the day. Anyway, there's lots of fun and happy places to hang out online, and we just wanted to be part of that. Part of that party.
Part of the party.
Part of the party.
And
let us be in the party.
that's pretty much all we got. I've been trying to get Sarah to wrap this up for a little bit, just so I can experiment with some more drinks, so that we'll be able to have something to kick off tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right?
If you guys have any drink suggestions that you would like us to make on this new weird show that we're doing, let us know. And if not, we'll see you here again, 4 p.m., same time, same bat time, same bat channel tomorrow. And we'll see what, maybe I can get Brent down to his sand fields.